What's going on, guys? Welcome to the vlog for the monthly Mayhem Challenge. This time I'll make sure to check focus. Can't believe I did that. It was so late before I actually got home and edited the video that I didn't have time to redo it. I'm waiting to hear what Matt has to say about this. I'm positive that this is not over. Moving on. So much to say about this last few days. Today, actually, which is Thursday, the discount ramp showed up. So, finally had the ramp and was able to do some testing. Jumping over to some commentary on Matt's, though. Those little wings that he's got hanging out there, way too small. It appears that he's going for the Pixar look, and maybe he's just trying to pull all the stops out in the last week as well. But we'll see. That EDF he has, though, man, that's definitely the size I was kind of picturing when I initially purchased that little baby version. So I'm interested to see how his EDF works. And I actually was able to do a couple of baseline jumps after my test jumps, but we'll get to that. So we will be able to see a little bit if any of this is actually going to work or not. A bunch of good, a little bit of bad. The good, the RC10, extremely durable and a lot of fun to drive without a wing on top. The wing, driving it around on flat pavement without the ramp at all, you could clearly see the lift that was being generated by the wing. And as far as the ailerons or elevators, whatever you want to call them, I had just taped them into position, first with a bunch of lift, and found that to be too aggressive. So I lowered them down. Driving up and down the parking lot, you could see it taking the weight off of the vehicle, specifically the front when I had it in a really aggressive location. But you could see it taking the weight off, and then obviously since I was just going in a straight line and it was removing weight, it would then loop out. But it was clear that the wing was doing its job. Now, it may have been brought up that my wing may be slightly outside of spec as far as the width. Don't worry, it's not over. I understand. I'm aware of it. That's it. I'm aware of the wing's width. Going back a little bit though, even with when driving around on the flat pavement, if I really got after it with some speed and I could tell that the wing picked up, maybe my idea of attaching the wing directly to the body, not the best idea. So I adjusted the elevator, drove up and down. It was doing good. I could have a little fun. I could see the lift. I could see how it was working. And then the ramp was here, so it was time to use the ramp. And of course, the ramp works, and it sent the vehicle into the air. And I think arguably even you could tell that the wing worked. Now, I did not have the rear motor powered up or controlled in any way. It was just back there hanging out. So there was no extra propulsion while in the air. There is no horizontal stabilization. I have no control of micro servos to even try to attempt to put the wing in some sort of attitude control. So it crashed for the first time hard, and it ripped one side of the wing completely off. The durability of the RC10 platform, fantastic. Put a lot of force on the body in the back. We completely ripped the body through the body pins. At this point, we've proved a number of things. The wing worked. My design and center of gravity locations, I think we're spot on. I think we need some horizontal control of this, maybe with a gyro, some sort of wing flight controller. That could be an option. So the platform choice, I think we're spot on for. The huge box of spare parts, haven't had to dip into yet. Definitely gonna have to be ordering some more planes from A-Main. I think maybe I'll order several of them. Maybe I'll use them all at once, I don't know. Already though, at this point, way more fun than I truly expected. Trying to drive around this car with a wing on it is everything I could have hoped for. It was so awesome. But first of all, I need to jump over to A-Main and get some more planes ordered. Why don't you go ahead and just take a wild guess at how many wings I'm going to destroy by the end of this competition. Throw your guess below and we'll see how far off some of you may truly be. But for this one, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Hope you have an awesome week. Hit the like button if you enjoy these videos. Subscribe if you're not already. Hit the notification bell so you see all the monthly Mayhem videos as they get posted. And we'll see you guys on the next one.